Well, g'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now this is a very quick little video on how you can check these things, electrostatic tweeters. The mystery of how do we check them without pulling them apart to see if they're working, if they're in a gram or a radio of some description that's not working. Now this is a very, very quick setup. I did this to check this tweeter, and I thought I'd show you my setup. The magic of the whole thing, one of these little high voltage converters from eBay. I'll give you a closer picture of him in a moment. Now, that is run from a power supply up the top here. There's 12 volts going in, and we've got it set for 220 volts out. HT of 220 volts. Now, I'll just bring the camera in a little bit closer if I can and show you a little bit about what's here. Okay. Excuse the camera jumping around there. This tripod's not real crash hot. Okay, so there's your module. And that's just 12 volts in, high voltage module, and it's set at the moment. You're setting with a little pot there, and at the moment I've got it set at 220. That's what these tweeters actually require to get them going. Now we've got a ground, which is our black, which goes to the ground on the tweeter. The positive goes out here, and as I said, this is a very quick setup. This is going, so I'm not touching too much at the moment. And please, if you're doing this, take care. These things, they can give you a very, very nasty shock. Through a 1 meg resistor. Okay, so the 1 meg resistor goes straight to your positive of your tweeter. Make sure you put it through a 1 meg. These things have to be very current limited. And over the other side, all I've got, and I'm showing you this because this is a very crude, quick setup, is audio in. Now, from our 1 meg resistor, over here, through a 0.01, around about 600 volt, just a polycap or whatever you've got, but a 0.01, non-polarity, of course. Just about anything will work there. And we feed our audio live into this end, and the other end is ground of our audio. So the ground of our audio goes to the common ground of the tweeter and the power supply. I'll just draw out a very quick diagram for you, and you can have a look at it. But just before we do, let's have a listen. I will turn the audio up, and we'll have a listen here and see if we can hear it.
Playing around the country this November. Tickets on sale now from FrontierTouring.com.
There we go. Now the audio is very low, of course. It is only a tweeter, and it is an electrostatic. So I haven't got a huge amount of audio going in, probably about 3 watts going into that, 2 or 3 watts. But that's how we check it. If it's making a noise, if it's working there, you will hear it straight away. So here's a diagram. And this is just something that I've knocked up to just to test the electrostatics. Mostly the tweeters, that's all I'm interested in. This doesn't check big electrostatic speakers. This is only for the tweeters. Okay, so we'll finish up with this, and I hope this helps you if you want to check the tweeters before you put a restoration back together. Okay, until next time, if you like what I do, please remember to subscribe, hit the bell so you can follow the next video. Okay, until then, bye for now.